Good morning everyone, my name is Arjun and this is my default task of SIT102. So my program is a health tracker. So in this code I made two structure. One is data and then this data store. In data I have walk, calories, sleep, hour, sleep minute, and in data store is where I will store the data in weeks and months. And as you can see, this is my main function menu. This is how I did in what you can say hand execution, where I made the image or how I should create it, and this is the code for it. And just let me run it so for a better visuals. So this is my main menu. Then moving on is the int click. This function is for so that I can click on this or on these options and it should detect that, and if it detects that then it will give return a value based on what function I've clicked. And so let me just go to the wait, and yeah, this is the option one. So here as you can see, this is where it will let me just show you the switch first. Yeah, if it is clicked, then it will first it will typecast and convert it into a enum called menu, which is here, and then it will go to option one, which will the return value. So then let's go to the option one. Yeah, so this is option one. In this option one, as you can see, it will first detect like wait. So I will first write the value, and for example this 12. It's a random value right now, just for showcasing how it works. And when I press the click save button, then it will save whatever input I have taken, and it will also change the color. And as you can see, it has been changed. In view weekly data, you can see the data have been entered. So let me go back first and I'll show you the code. So this is the code on how I made it. I used multiple function called input box and whether it's reading or not, and then inputting it. You can see it is showing also live type what I'm typing, and by the end of the time when I save, then it will store the value into the data, which I showed you the first time in the starting part of this video. And if I save, then it will go back to menu. So moving on to the next option 2. In option 2 there is view weekly data. It will show you your weekly data what you have stored. So let me just go and type 6 times more. Wait, like I said, this is a random value, and I will just tell you how it works. So let me how it works. It could be a bit long here because I've input 7 value. So you can just get the how it works. This is a 3, and as it go, and it will just moving on to the next day. Then we come on the third part, which is viewing average. So for average, you would have to see what kind of you have to input 1 week of whole data, then only you will get the average. So let me just show you the notebook where I did it. So this is option 2, the overlapping. This is my notes where I overlap the image with text, and then we have option 3, and this is the option 3 for average, where I have the comment and this. So let me show you the code how it works. So let's just make it for a week or so you will get a better how it works. Okay, so save. How many days we have right now? It's 4 days. Also the back button is functioning, so you can see that. So see, and one more thing. last part. It is just random, so forgive me for that. Okay, so now it have been reset to the next week, and so the value is 0. And in the average, see what it will do, it will calculate your average. If it's a bad average, then it will give you a comment on is this how you want to continue, make a change, and it will show you a fat person and a weak person. And if the average was good, then it will show you a strong person and a good comment. And then we have feedback, the last one. So in feedback, they will show you what you're lacking overall, and it will give you overall summary. So this is the steps, calories, sleep, and etc. And then you exit the program. And this is the code for it. Void option 3, void option 4, and at last avoid option 5. And this is my hand execution on how I made it. This is my handwritten notes. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you.